lights go out. You're in my mind. I close my eyes, so it's just you and I tell myself you'll be back again. When the stars are aligned, we will dance in the meadow on our favorite place. When spring is coming. Space for a dance in the meadow on our favorite place. When spring is coming.
Too much water, I don't know, we'll see what happens. Maybe we'll get some cracking in it, but as it dries off, you know. It doesn't really matter, it's just for the base, as long as it doesn't just turn back into powder. I think we're gonna get better performance out of this forge. Also, I'm not gonna have to worry about the bottom. This thing's probably gonna be running 3 days a week for one day, at least probably 6 to 8 hours a day. What do you say we build the handle? I gotta drill a hole, and the one drill that we have here that's hand operated, I can't get the bit out, so I'm gonna have to work on that in another video. But yeah, we have some post drills here, and I'm gonna have to restore one of those, another one of those, so that I can actually use that in the video. I'd prefer to do everything by hand, but today, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to use the drill press to drill a hole, just a little hole through wood, and yeah, no big deal. We'll get it done. Oh wait, I bet I can find a bit and brace here that'll work. Yeah, let's do that. Let's go shopping. Oh yeah. We ought to be able to find everything we need right here. So we need a bit and brace with a removable back to make sure that we have the bits. So we'll go through, well, you can just usually give them a shake. Oh, that one's a good size. And we can take another bit. I'm not worried about that, but I think we might want a bigger one, something with a little more power. All right, let's look at what we got. Oh, there's so many choices. I don't even know what to do. Let's see. Let's go for this guy. Well, I think we found our tool. Now, let's see. That should help. And we're gonna go with this small one. So we may not have sharp tools, but we're going to test them out and see if the previous owner at least left them a little sharp. I'm not going to say they're perfectly sharp. I don't have a strop here. I think a little strop would take care of business. I may work on the edge just a tiny bit, but we're good to go, guys. So if you guys haven't seen my channel, I shape a lot with roll-lock discs, and it's just, it comes from being a body guy. It's a really good tool in my hand. I don't have any real carving stuff here. We don't have a lathe set up. So when I go to put my round in, which is right now, you know, I just kind of wanted to play with these tools, but I'm gonna be using this, and that's what I'm gonna shape it with. So let's do it. So what I'm going for is feel. I want it to feel more like a knife handle than a round handle. I absolutely love the way it feels. Well, I searched high and low for a grease gun so I could put grease in here. These are supposed to have grease in them, not oil. I went ahead and put a little bit of oil in there just to keep everything from flash rusting. And we oiled it when we put it together, but I do need to find some grease, so I'll put grease in there before we get cranking. Well guys, thank you so much. I'd like to thank all of our Patreon supporters. We've got a group of school students that called me up and they wanted to know if they could come tour back before I started working as curator. So I set that up. It'll be here on March 10th, and we're gonna get some waivers signed, and we're gonna blacksmith together. So it's gonna be really, really neat. I can't wait to see, you know, how these kids react to this stuff around here, and I want to put on a good show for them. And you know, I wouldn't be able to do that without your help. So thank you so much to all my Patreon members, and to everyone else who watches these videos and sits through these ads. Thank you as well. I really, really appreciate it, and thanks for all your support, man. Everyone's just great. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, do me a favor. Turn on your notifications. Being a subscriber doesn't matter unless your notifications are on, because YouTube is not going to show you when I come up with a new video. Thanks, and we appreciate it. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I can't wait for this weekend. I am so excited. It's going to be awesome.